In this video, let's talk about 5 simple ChatGPT prompts for Instagram marketing. These prompts are going to help you create Instagram captions, content faster and help you save a lot of time. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. Here I am signed into my ChatGPT account. Here's my prompt number 1. Write a witty Instagram caption about the importance of sleep. So you can put any topic here and then have ChatGPT write the caption for you. Look at this. Here is the caption: sleeping is my superpower. And then the good thing is it also gives me emojis and hashtags. So I can just simply copy paste this and use it on my Instagram. So if you can't think of an Instagram caption or you're not sure what to post on a certain day, use ChatGPT. That's number 1. Number 2, if you already have a picture, you can describe that picture and ChatGPT can create some ideas for caption. For example, here you go. Give me Instagram photo captions for a picture about a team lunch. So our team is having lunch, we're eating. In the picture, our team is sitting in the cafeteria and enjoying lunch. So describe what your picture is about. And then here you go. 5 different ideas: lunchtime, team building time, good food, great company makes a perfect team lunch, and also emojis and hashtags. So I have 5 different caption ideas that I can choose from. All right, now let's talk about number 3, the ChatGPT prompt number 3. This is actually really cool, and you can use it for your business, or if you have clients, you can use it for their business. Create 10 viral Instagram Reels ideas about iPhone tips and hacks. So here you can put whatever niche industry you're in: real estate, fashion, fitness, bodybuilding, whatever it may be. And then ChatGPT will give you some ideas that you can use. Here you go. And then I also did it for 10 viral Reels ideas about business security system. And then here are different ideas. You can go through these, and obviously not everything is going to be perfect. So you still have to vet these. You still have to kind of look at these and see if they make sense for your business or not. All right, number 4. And this saves a lot of time, and I think this is going to put a lot of Instagram hashtag tools out of business. Give me 10 Instagram hashtags related to real estate in New York. And look at this, how accurate these hashtags are. NYC real estate, New York homes, Manhattan real estate, New York City living. All of these are really, really good. All right, now number 5, I believe. Give me, come up with 5 witty puns about self-care, whatever topic, self-development, real estate, whatever it may be. And then it's going to give you some really, really fun captions that you can use. There you go. And now number 6, actually the bonus. And actually this is probably the most powerful one. You can have ChatGPT give you scripts about videos. So for example, write a Instagram Reels video script about importance of in-person networking. So whatever your topic is, put that at the end of this prompt, and then here is the full script of that video. It gives you opening shot, what the voiceover is, also the next shot, the voiceover, next shot, person taking notes, and voiceover. It's just like a full script. And by the way, another thing you can do is you can also do these video scripts for YouTube videos. You can even mention how long the video is. So I can say, write a Instagram Reels video script for a video of about 30 seconds on the topic of whatever the topic may be. So these are 6 simple but very useful and powerful ChatGPT prompts for Instagram marketing and Instagram managers. Any questions? Let me know. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.